In the South, forestry and the forest products industry generates over $200 billion annually, roughly 2% of the regional economic output. In Alabama, forestry accounts for 15% of the state's economy and over 120,000 jobs. But there are some clouds on the horizon. Open positions in forestry are becoming increasingly difficult to fill. The result, lower production and missed opportunities. Loggers, sawmills, paper mills, and forest management companies are all feeling the workforce strain. To address these challenges, the Alabama Forestry Foundation has embarked on the Forestry Workforce Development Initiative. We believe that if we educate the next generation about career opportunities now, we can develop the knowledge and skills necessary for success. To do this, we must gain the support of parents, educators, professionals, and communities to encourage students to consider forestry as a career path. Students from kindergarten to middle school will learn how forests are managed and about the people that drive the industry. The initiative will supply vital support to educators to build strong math and science skills and, most importantly, to inspire the students they teach. In high school, the initiative will be to equip students with detailed information on job opportunities in forestry and help them down pathways to successful careers. To accomplish this, the Foundation developed the Forest Worker Certificate Program that provides students with a basic understanding of forestry principles and how forest products are manufactured. A social media campaign will be launched to provide real-time information in order to motivate students to pursue forestry careers. Industry professionals will then help build enthusiasm by mentoring interested students, giving them an insider's view of the opportunities in forestry. Finally, the Foundation will develop a logging operator training program to provide classroom experience and practical knowledge from hands-on experience. This program is ideal for recent high school graduates and military veterans groups, providing much-needed workers for Alabama's logging companies. This initiative is well underway, but much work remains. When fully implemented, the initiative will serve as a model for other workforce development efforts. By supplying web-based education along with a social media platform that is adoptable by any southern state, this initiative will help sustain the forest industry. Whether students choose further education or go straight into the workforce, forestry creates exciting opportunities for a bright future and successful career. Just as we plant trees today to grow tomorrow's forest, we must invest in the next generation to grow tomorrow's forestry workforce. Help us secure the future of forestry by investing today.